Hello everyone and welcome to this live action video. Well, I say live action because we're having a look at real railways. And we're travelling from Lincoln to Gainsborough Lee Road. And on the screens now you can see a statue of George Ball outside Lincoln Central Station. And the reason for this trip today is I'd never actually been to Gainsborough Lee Road Station. So I figured, you know what, let's take a trip out. Might get to ride a different type of train. I'd never been on the new Northern Loco or Northern DMUs yet, and I don't get to today. So anyway, when I arrived at the station just after 9 a.m, we had 156406 in platform 3B and 17508 in platform 2. Now, the location of these on those respective platforms is very important. And I'll get to why a little bit later on. But as you can see, both in the EMR purple schemes, the EMR 170 being all over purple, and 156s are purple and white. Over on platform 5, we have 156408 in the older stagecoach livery, although of course it is EMR now. And I've actually seen 406 and 408 in the past. 406 was in stagecoach livery as well the last time I saw it. But anyway, as I was sat there, 406 departed, headed down towards what I thought was Metheringham. And lo and behold, a few minutes later, it came back. And it's coming into platform 4. And I was like, okay, I should be taking a northern train, not a EMR train to Gainsborough, but okay, if we've got to ride a 156, we'll ride a 156. I don't mind. However, it doesn't stop. It just rolls through, very nice and smooth. And there it goes over the level crossing. Nice. Okay, that's unusual, but okay. So anyway, we're sat there, and as you can see, 9:36. Our train due to leave at 10:14, calling at Saxby 10:23, Gainsborough Lee Road at 10:36. So just over 20-minute journey. And here comes our train now. Not the nice new shiny northern train, but still a delight for me because I'd never been on a class 150. And along comes 150003. And they're now marshalled into 3-car set from the original 2-car set. So essentially they've broken up some and tacked them on, but it still runs as 150003 as a 3-car unit, as you can see here. And yeah, they're rather interesting little beasts. But anyway, after our journey, we arrived here at Gainsborough Lee Road, and as you can see, that just begs to be explored. Now, I've gone past loads of times in the car. Indeed, I filmed this on the Sunday, so this was the day after the Doncaster show, and actually drove past in both directions to and from Doncaster show, but I'd never been to the station itself. Unfortunately, the station building is all boarded up now. As you can see, it's available to let. So, private non-railway building now. sadly, but not really needed. But anyway, thought I'd give a walking tour of this lovely ramp and strange partial over roof that they have there. As you can see, there's only a roof section on the flat parts, which amused me quite a bit. So as you can see, it winds this way back and forth, and this is the way up to platform 1 if you've got a bike, for example, or a pushchair, or just not so easy and able to take stairs. Maybe you have a disability or just getting on in life. So it's nice that this does have ramp access to the platform, and it is quite a high level platform. So onto platform 1. You see the line curving away there to the left. Kerry Foods building in the distance. And a couple of old sidings that clearly not seen use in quite some time. And that's the view back towards Lincoln. So there is a curved platform here. And yeah, I'm not sure what colours these are, the white and green, but it certainly looks like that has not seen a lick of paint in quite some years. Don't we just take a little walk and have a look around? I do like the half barrels that are planted up. Just makes the station feel a little more welcoming. And there's a view over to platform 2. And I believe that's West Burton power station in the distance. There is 2 power stations rather close to Gainsborough. You've got West Burton and Cottam. Cottam, I believe, is already closed, and West Burton is in the process of being powered down. So these are the step access to platform 1. And the rear of the station building, very overgrown, as you can see, and in a rather poor state, which is a shame. But now we head down to my favourite part of this station. And that is the walkway under the track to platform 2. I mean, what a way just to brighten up the station and, yeah, just make it feel more welcoming. There we go. East Midlands Railway, welcome to Gainsborough. So this station, although we come on a northern service, it is kind of, trying to think, what word am I, don't know. Serviced, yes. It's serviced by both Northern and East Midland Railway. And that would have been the old way up to platform 2, but that is boarded up and we have this nice new ramp installed instead. I say nice and new, looks like it has been there for quite some years now, but in comparison to the old brick one. to this point and have a choice. You can actually go left or to the right at this point. So this was the platform that I arrived in on from Lincoln. And I did opt for the stairs. It's nice that you do have this access, so should you have a longer train, you've got a choice. And also, it means that there is a better flow should there be a lot of passengers coming. And at the end of the platform here, you can see the rail over bridge that goes under the main road into Gainsborough. And then we get our shot again, looking down towards platform 1 and the track curving away in the distance. So here is a shot of that brick ramp, and as you can see, the reason it's shut off is there's no platform there anymore. So had you tried to walk up there, you'd be rather stuck. Anyway, after about an hour, here comes our return train. And this time, it's 150-002. So it seems that this line is well run by Class 150s at the weekend, so may have to try and have a look and see if we can catch something else on a weekday. But anyway, I get back to Lincoln and I find our friend 17508 has moved from platform 2 over to platform 5. Our friend 156408 has gone from platform 5 to platform 3, and our Roman friend 156406 is now sat at platform 1. No idea why, but everyone seems to be playing musical trains at Lincoln. Whether this is a common thing on Sunday, whether it's caused by the train strikes and trains having to be moved in position, I'm not sure, but yeah, certainly amused me a little. Anyway, that is going to be this video over and done with. Hopefully you've enjoyed this little look, and if there are stations you think I should visit, hopefully in the East Midlands area, then drop me a message. I'd love to go and have a look. Or if there's a certain train type you'd like to see me go on from the modern railway, again, let me know and I'll see what I can do. Alright, that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you ever so much for checking this out, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.